If you're seeing a Steam API error or a message like failed to initialize Steam API, don't worry. This usually means the game is trying to connect to Steam, but Windows security, a broken game file, or a Steam setting is getting in the way. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your game without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and PC tutorials. Let's get started. First, try the most common fix. Run Steam as administrator. This gives Steam the permission it needs to create the connection between the game and the Steam client. Start by closing Steam completely. Make sure it is not just minimized and check the system tray in the bottom right corner to confirm Steam is fully closed. Then right-click your Steam shortcut on the desktop and choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK and reopen Steam. This simple step fixes the Steam API error for a lot of users because it removes permission issues between Windows and the game. If that does not solve it, the next thing to check is Windows Firewall. In Windows 11, security settings are stricter than before, and sometimes Firewall blocks the specific API request that the game needs. To fix that, open the Windows search bar and type Allow an app reservoir through Windows Firewall. Open the result, then click Change Settings. Look through the list for Steam and also find the game that is giving you the error. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked for Steam and for the game. If one of them is blocked, the connection can fail and trigger the API error. After that, save your changes and try launching the game again. Now, let's move on to another very important fix, verifying the game files. If the error mentions a file like steam_api64.dll, that usually means a file is missing, damaged, or even quarantined by antivirus software. To repair that, open your Steam library, right-click the game that is causing the problem, and select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace anything that is missing or corrupted. If your antivirus opens a warning during this process, choose Allow or Restore File, because the missing API file may have been mistakenly flagged. Once the scan is complete, launch the game again and check whether the error is gone. Another effective fix is to opt out of the Steam beta client. Beta builds can sometimes introduce broken API hooks, especially with older games or games that have not been updated in a while. To do this, open Steam and go to Settings, then click Interface and look for Client Beta Participation. Change it to No Beta Chosen, then let Steam restart when prompted. After Steam reloads, try opening the game again. This is a very good step if the error started happening after a Steam update, because the beta client may be causing the conflict. If you want to be extra thorough, also restart your PC after making these changes. A full restart clears stuck processes and reloads Steam, Windows Security, and any background services that may have been blocking the API connection. In many cases, the combination of running Steam as administrator, allowing it through Firewall, and verifying the game files is enough to fix the issue completely. So to recap, if you're dealing with a Steam API error, start with administrator mode, then check Windows Firewall, verify your game files, and finally, leave the Steam beta if needed. These are the safest and most effective fixes for the 2026 Steam client. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.